In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer: I will show you how to access those options in both Celia and Microsoft keyboards. So whichever you are using, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down to hit System and Updates. Tap on Language and Input and finally select your keyboard. Let's start with Celia because it's my default. Click on it here. Select Input between keyboard and key press feedback. And manage all of those options however you want to by tapping on the switches next to the chosen ones. When you finished, go back. And if you are using Microsoft SwiftKey, click on it here as well. Tap on typing between themes and emojis and manage all of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!